My past is past, and I don't live there anymore. The person you used to know is no longer there.
Don't keep my old records, you will waste your memory space, 'cause it's incompatible with my new life device.
But I don't live there anymore. No, no, that's not my home. Already let it go. Jesus came and washed it all away. He made me new. He changed my yesterday.
Scars remain, a testament to pain. Lessons learned through sunshine and through rain.
I carry wisdom from the trials I faced, but grace has filled that empty hollow space. 'Cause I don't live there anymore. No, no, that's not my home. I already let it go. Jesus came and washed it all away. He made me new. He changed